I actually, instead of me doing presentation at a dinner we had my avatar do the presentation. So AI generated to where I can control what my avatar says, and the way he delivers the message. So the continuous learning. So that's I'll say the latest technology that we're learning how to use. Yeah. We really didn't plan on using it externally, but it's such a novelty, and the technology has gotten so good that you show it to the outside world. We use it internally mainly to deliver messages. Yeah, because my avatar can speak 29 languages and I cannot.
You cannot? No.
No. I'm lucky to speak English well. But with the 29 languages, it easily converts the message. So I've got more than 25 different nationalities that are part of Walden throughout the world. So I can actually communicate in the mother tongue of most of those people.
That is nice. So I'm curious here. So what kind of feedback within your organization now that you started with your avatar?
Well, it's a great way to communicate. So, they love the thought of me. I've got two offices in China, and English is spoken by some of the team, but not all of the team. And much easier to communicate with them in Mandarin. So, the feedback from them, they actually are hearing everything I say now. And it's much easier for them to grasp. The industry response has been pretty overwhelming since we unveiled it, and half are like me better and half like the avatar better. My wife's feedback was it's creepy. So she didn't.
She knows you. She wants the real one.
She prefers to have the real one. Yeah,
which is good, right? That's
it.
You should be worried if you said something else. No,
that's right. If she did like that. She liked the avatar speaking French. Outside of that, she said, no, it's not you.
No. Oh, I like that. No, and I think it's great to see, companies in the manufacturing industry stepping out and actually be a front runner to say, okay, let's do it and learn from it. So it's great that we have somebody here now. We can say, okay, this is how it can be done, and actually take notes and some learnings from it. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen over the next couple of, even if it's months or years, right? Because it goes really, really fast. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.